Hi my friends, oh my god, there's a fun text over here. Oh my god. Alright. Hi my friends, I am Francis and welcome to the Unity tutorial. You know what I mean. So I will show you how to install the Unity Spatializer plugin, not the official one. Unity Spatializer plugin and use the real 3D sound in the kind of real 3D sound in the Unity. So just SP audio tests. I'll just create a new project for you, just for the demonstration. Just a clean, plain project, and we have the 3D selected just because we want 3D audio, and then just click create, and then woo, oh, project is getting created. Oh my god, being created, not getting created, being created. So the Unity does the job for us. Thank you, Unity. You're the real hero. Just waiting. Patience on. Alright. Now we have the scene here. As you can see. Just, there'll be a pause or something. Alright, so just open the Chrome, Google Chrome, for surfing the web. And as you cannot see, there is nothing on the screen. Nothing on the fucking screen. Actually, it's on the second fucking monitor. Sorry about that. I just opened the new incognito. I don't know how to pronounce that thing. Sorry, my system is Turkish at my main native language. Sorry about that. So just paste that. The link is already given in the description. Just copy it and paste it. Or you can just Google the Spatializer at the Google. So when you reach this GitHub page, just click that and download zip. Clone and download zip. It's just easy, download zip. So it's going to download it. So you can check the license if you want. It might come in handy. I don't know, maybe it can work. So just click that. I hope you have the WinRAR or kind of a compressed file extracted program. Alright, I know it's expired. Sorry about that. Sorry for pirating your god. Actually it's not pirate, it's just infinite trial. So just go to the assets at your projects and click show in Explorer. Now we have in the projects file folder, and we have the assets folder here. So what should we do? Just open the WinRAR and just open your RAR file. We will just use this file, this, and this. So just click that and press Ctrl. Just hold it and click that, click that, click that, and click that. So just drag them into here with your mouse, and then just rename this to HRTF license. And this may be come in handy at the future, I don't know. Probably you won't need it, but it won't harm anything. So just get back to Unity and it will just import the scripts and small assets, the plugins and shit. When it's done, just go to the edit and project settings. Go to project settings and just click the audio tab and go to the Spatializer plugin thing and just click none and select the sofa Spatializer, and then just it's done. So it's selected, so just cross that and your thing is done, kind of done. So you should enable in the audio sources. So if you want an audio source spatialized, like being realistic or something, you want to use the Spatializer plugin. So you should activate it. at the every single audio source that you want to spatialize. I actually not using the spatializing at the far big things, because it just ruins the reality. We don't need that. So we will just use the closed sounds like footsteps or gunshots or something. So I will just show a quick demonstration of how to spatializing works. I just created an audio source inside our camera. Just make this the 3D. Click play. And actually, now it's inside our head. Now let's move it a little bit left. It moved! Whoa, very interesting. Now let's just move it a little bit up. I don't think it's just kind of up there. It's kinda, but when you close your ear, you cannot feel it at up there. So we don't want that. Feeling. So we don't want that. We will just want a realistic footstep sound, or like violin sound. What do you want? So just click the Spatialize button at your audio source. Just that simple. You can just hide this and just move this slightly up. And as you can see, you can feel the sound is coming from up there when you close your eyes. Just move it slightly to the right. And you can feel it. It's coming upright, from the upper right of your head. So just can tell exact location if the sound kinda, but when you disable it, it's just far away. But I can't really tell where is it. But when you activate the Spatializer, you can easily tell where is it now. And this is the Doppler effect, by the way. This is the Doppler effect. So, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this thing comes in handy. I hope this works in your game. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry if you couldn't understand things. My main language is not English. I'm Turkish, but I'm just trying to speak English. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this thing works for you. Links are in the description, And don't forget to thank the owner of the plugin. Just go thank to this guy for developing this code or plugin for you. And yeah, thanks for watching. Till the next video, have a good day. See you soon, I think.
Gear up. We are going on a windy walk here. These fellas are gonna regret waking up this morning. I'm going on a windy walk here.
Oh, that's a nice violin, isn't it?